Hey Scorpio, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of June. Ooh. Oh, okay. So this is the thing. They feel like you're going to turn them down, and they're afraid they're not going to have a new opportunity with you. Because they feel like you are going to walk away from them. Because maybe in the past this person walked away from you. But right now, you're not talking to this person. Or I will say this, if you are talking to them, it's little to no communication. Like, some of you guys could have been in contact with this person, but they're not really addressing what needs to be, you know, talked about between the two. For some of you guys, yeah, you're not talking to this person at all. I do feel like, yeah, this person, they keep things hidden. They don't open up. You guys get frustrated because it's like pulling teeth trying to get this person to talk. I do feel like this person is coming out of being frustrated because they are talking to someone that they trust about, I feel like, their situation, but they're also talking to them about you. Because this person definitely wants to take a leap, want to come towards you. Yeah, this person definitely wants things to improve between the two of you. But they're afraid that you're not going to accept this offer, and they're feeling like you're not going to have a new beginning. Is there somebody else in the picture, guys? They don't want you to cut them off. They got to move fast. Tell me more. Y'all, there's communication coming in. They're just not being positive. See, yeah, they don't have the strength to come and talk to you just yet. Somebody could be dealing with, y'all gonna miss signs. If I have, I'm sorry. Okay, Leo. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. Why is justice here? See, they got to get out of some type of third party situation. Okay, yeah, there could be some type of legal situation going on. See, they didn't have the strength. I feel, yeah, there's something involving a child. Yeah, see, they were taking a lot. Okay, so if they're not married, it could be this child support. You get what I'm saying? Like, they knew if they walked away from this other person, they were going to take a hit financially speaking because of this child. And somebody was going to come after them, see judgment from the court. So that was the situation. This is why they were having trouble trying to make a decision in the past. See, there's the Hierophant. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. Now, this person definitely wants to be with you. But for some of them, like I told you, they're either in a commitment, or for some of you, they're married, you know, and this is why they had to, like, take their time and make a decision. I don't know why. I know Taurus just came up, but it's like I keep hearing Taurus. So some of you guys could have been dealing with a Taurus, or maybe your person was dealing with a Taurus, you know, or somebody has Taurus in their chart. I keep hearing Taurus. But anyway, I see this person working really hard on their finances. Yeah, see, I told y'all at one point they were afraid by walking away or putting it into a situation they were going to take a hit, financially speaking. I'm seeing it here. Yep. But see, they want to be with you. This person definitely wants to be committed to you, but see, yeah, they love you. Whoever I'm picking up on, this person loves you, but this other person that they've been dealing with is holding on to them for money, and this is why they can't move forward just yet. Somebody's dealing with a Cancer. Okay, I see them coming out of being frustrated. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius. They do want to balance things out, but right now they feel like there's no stability in their situation. Maybe they're feeling like there's no stability, you know, when it comes down to their money. Could be dealing with an Aries. So they're going to come out of being frustrated. Somebody's holding on to them. I'm telling you, they're trying to figure out how to get out of this situation. They're making changes, guys. But they feel like you're going to come off cold and harsh to them. See, they feel like you don't want to have anything to do with them. And yeah, they're stuck. This is why they're not really opening up just yet. Because they know they were rushing in and out of your life, being wishy-washy. Yeah, they feel like they're not going to be able to turn things around with you. And so I'm saying they're going to get out of their head and they're going to listen to their intuition because they do want a victory with you. Somebody could be dealing with the Pisces. But right now, y'all, they're going through a tower moment. Okay. With the person they were in a codependent situation with. I told you. Y'all, there's some shakeups going on in August that I've been picking up on. It is some serious shakeups. So, right now, it's like they feel like you don't want to build with them anymore. Okay. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. but they're putting it into a family situation. I told you. Look, just come on, just shoot out, okay? Just come on out. So, ooh, and the king and the queen. Y'all. Oh my God! Didn't I tell y'all I saw so many 11s? This could definitely be like a twin flame connection here, hands down. Oh my God! And the thing is, y'all both are upright, which is really good. But let me put that down for a second. It's like, you see how y'all both? Oh, well, I wasn't trying to do that, but okay. I was trying to do this. Oh, spirit is funny. Okay. I was trying to do this, but, I mean, we're going to switch it back. Since I did this, y'all look at that. Y'all love this person. I don't care what you say, Scorpio, okay? You love this person. This is your person. You want to be with this person. But right now, y'all like this, okay? I'm doing my own thing. I don't have time. I'm not making the first move. He or she is doing X, Y, and Z. They need to make the move. Whoever was messing up, that's what you're like, I'm not doing anything because guess what? They left me out in the cold. They know they left you out in the cold, okay? They got to make the move to come back. See, they had you waiting around. But I'm telling you, they know that by putting it into another situation, it's like financially speaking, something was up. Okay, look, it's money. They want things when it comes to their finances to improve first. You know, because there's no look at that. There's no balance with their finances because of a codependent situation that they put themselves in. See? Look at the devil. Didn't I tell y'all? Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. Clarify the devil. They're scared to give you this offer. Because, see, they want a family with you. They want to move forward with you. But they're having a hard time right now because of what they did in the past. So I'm saying they're going to come out of being frustrated about it. Okay. But they're watching you. I told y'all, for some of you guys, I don't feel like a lot of y'all are talking to this person. So they're keeping tabs on you. And this could be spiritually as well, but they're losing hope. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. Yeah, they got to make a decision, and they're going to be confident when they make this decision. But see, 2 6s, I told y'all, it's family. There is some type of family situation going on, and this is why there was no balance. You know, this is why they've been isolating themselves, because they've been trying to figure out some type of family situation first. Could be dealing with a Gemini. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. But they're coming towards you. They're just taking their time. See? Family. Okay? Look, I just said taking their time. This is the slowest night. This is going to still take some time, y'all, because they have to get out of some type of family, home, living situation, whatever it is. Look at that. 11, 11, 11. It's been screaming y'all entire reading, okay? This is a soulmate, or for some of you, it's a twin flame connection. You know, look at that. It's like they made the decision. They want a new beginning with you, but they know that they hurt you, and this is the problem. See, you're going to get an offer from them, whether you like it or not. You're going to get it, okay? Because, see, they want to heal things with you. They know they stabbed you in the back. They want to make it right. You may be done with this person, but the person isn't done with you, okay? They're not done. They're coming back. I don't care what y'all say. You can roll your eyes. You can suck your teeth. They're coming back. Okay? Some of y'all probably asked when. I can't tell you when because there's too many of y'all. That's personal readings for. You know, you gotta be quick, okay? When I put the little post up. You gotta be quick with it. So, anyway. Let's just see. But I'm telling y'all now, y'all, like, I don't even know who I told today. You know, I always tell you guys, never wait on anybody. I don't care if I tell y'all, yeah, past person, past person. I don't care. You never wait, because this is going to take some time. Whoever I'm picking up on, just like at one point you had to go through a situation with like a karmic soulmate. You had to figure things out. You had to get out of that situation. You had to take some time out to yourself, you know, and in order to heal, in order to figure out what happened, in order for you to move forward, the person's going to have to do the same thing. This is not going to happen overnight. Let's keep it 100. Y'all are watching them. Y'all might be, you know, stalking them a little bit, you know, on social media. This could be something spiritual. Some of y'all are very gifted and intuitive, so you're using your gifts to keep an eye out on people, you know? But see, you still want to commit it with this person. I don't care what y'all say. Some of y'all still want to be with this person. But yeah, see, 7 of Swords tried to come out. Yeah, but you already know this person's sneaky. See, there's the Death card. You guys are like, I got to put an end to it. I have to put an end to it because this person could be in a commitment. Maybe they're married. See, 4 of Wands try to come out reverse. You're like, I don't see myself having a happy home with this person because they stabbed me in the back. Look at that. Look at the king. Some of y'all, look at this. You see what I'm saying? Some of y'all could be dealing with another water sign. I mean, there's an air sign here too. But regardless, like I told you before, this is going to take some time. And even just looking at this, because I am seeing 2 kings here, by the time they come back in, if you're not already dealing with somebody, there could be somebody else coming into the picture. That's why I said do not wait around. See, you're kind of like, the way the Empress came out, it's back and forth, but it's more so upright. So it lets me know you want to have a new beginning with this person, but you're starting to feel like it's not going to happen because they don't open up, they don't talk to you. See, and there's another woman. See what I'm saying? You're like, not doing it. I'm cutting this off. I'm not doing this. See, your guard is up now. Okay. But you're having a hard time. Hold on a second. Is somebody pregnant? Like, I know I've been talking about children, but wait. Are y'all pregnant by this person? For some of you, hold on. For some of you, if you're not pregnant by this person, this is not for everybody. I feel like somebody's going to end up pregnant, and it's going to be with the person that you're supposed to be with. And, oh, that's a plot twist right there. That's supposed to happen for some of you guys. There's a baby that's supposed to be born. It's a spiritual child. And this baby been waiting around. Some of y'all, I'm going to be honest with you, this child has been coming to see y'all. I'm hearing there's a baby here. Okay, hold on a second. Oh, we gotta play with this one. Hold on. Have y'all been feeling